Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulate the people of Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya on the occasion of their statehood day. About 30 new cancer hospitals opened in the country during the past 9 years, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Elaborate arrangements put in place for the consecration of Ram temple in Ayodhya. Governor Pagu Chauhan inaugurates a Monolit and a Garu tree house in Rajban, Shillong. And in the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup, India kicks off their campaign with a victory against Bangladesh. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today congratulated the people of Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya on the occasion of their statehood day. In a social media post, President Murmu said that these states are uniquely blessed with nature's bounty and are also bearers of rich cultural heritage. President Murmu conveyed her best wishes to the residents of Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also wished the northeastern states to scale new heights of progress in the future. In a social media post on X, extending his wishes to Meghalaya, Modi said, "Today is an occasion to celebrate the incredible culture of Meghalaya and the achievements of the people there. Wishing prosperity and harmony to the people of Tripura," Prime Minister Modi said, "May this day celebrate the unique history and rich heritage of the state." Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that during the past 9 years, about 30 new cancer hospitals have been opened in the country and the construction of 10 new cancer hospitals are currently underway. In a video message during the foundation stone laying ceremony of Shri Kodal Dham Trust Cancer Hospital in Gujarat, the Prime Minister said, "For any country to be developed, people must be healthy and fit." Modi said the government has come up with the Ayushman Bharat Yojana to help the poor suffering from serious illnesses. The Prime Minister stressed that today, with the help of this scheme, over 6 crore people have received treatment. Appreciating the Gujarat government's efforts in the healthcare sector, the Prime Minister said Gujarat has made unprecedented progress in the field of healthcare over the last 20 years and the state is becoming a big medical hub of India.
गुजरात ने स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में बड़े सुधार का मॉडल पेश किया है। यहां गांव-गांव में कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर्स खोले गए। आदिवासी और गरीब इलाकों तक स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएं पहुंचाई गई। गुजरात में 108 एम्बुलेंस की सुविधा पर लोगों का भरोसा लगातार मजबूती हुआ है।
In a momentous occasion that resonates with spiritual significance, the consecration ceremony of Lord Rama's idol in Ayodhya is set to take place on Monday. Chidambara Sastri, a spiritual luminary known for his deep devotion to Lord Rama and Hanuman from Andhra Pradesh, brought his exceptional skills to Ayodhya to craft the Rama Yantra. Anadanam Chidambara Sastri, president of the Hanumat Chitti Jagran Samiti, has become the creative force behind the intricately designed Rama Yantra, crucial for the consecration ceremony. Hailing from Bapatla in Andhra Pradesh, Sastri's spiritual journey has been marked by a profound connection to Lord Rama and Hanuman. The sacred task of preparing the Rama Yantra for the consecration ceremony was entrusted to him back in 2014. The Rama Yantra is believed to be a channel for spiritual energy designed to amplify the sacred vibrations during the consecration. In commemoration of Meghalaya's 52nd statehood day, Governor Pagu Chauhan unveiled a Monolit and a Garu tree house at the Raj Bhavan's main gate and lawn, respectively. These additions enhanced the historical significance of the Rajban, which also marked its 150th anniversary. The Monolit and Tree House stand as tribute to the rich cultural heritage and the enduring legacy of the state. This celebratory event not only recognizes Meghalaya's statehood, but also underscores the enduring historical and cultural contributions encapsulated within the walls of the Rajban. In line with the Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat initiative of the Government of India, which aims to foster stronger connections and promote mutual understanding among people from different states and union territories, a cultural evening was held at the Raj Bhavan in Shillong to commemorate the foundation day of Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur. Meghalaya Governor Paghu Chauhan graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of the Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed and the Commissioner and Secretary to the Governor Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari. The evening commenced with a tribute to Meghalaya's eminent freedom fighters Utirot Singh, Ukyang Nangba and Pa Togan Sangma. In his welcome address, Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari eloquently delved into the historical chronicles leading to the formation of these states and also accentuating their commendable strengths. We'll be back after this short break.
International Water Conclave Shillong 2024. Join us in Shillong for a groundbreaking event aimed at collectively addressing water issues in hilly regions. 9th and 10th February 2024. Dive into the pre-conclave excitement by participating in the following exciting events: PSA video contest, nature and nurture quiz, slogan writing, painting, short video contest on best practices in water conservation, water recycling, rejuvenation and water user efficiency, and hackathon. Exciting prizes await, generous prize money, recognition for innovative solutions. For details, visit iwcshillong.org or write to us at iwcshillong24@gmail.com. Be part of the change. Set the tone for a water-conscious future.
The second Coach Youth Festival of the Meghalaya Coach Students Union was held at Kumligaon Playground in southwest Garo Hills on January 17th and 18th. Young participants representing various zones across the state embarked on a vibrant tapestry of indigenous sports, celebrating their rich cultural heritage through spirited competition and playful camaraderie. Tura MP Agatha K. Sangma complimented the MKSU for its various social activities aimed at uplifting the community, particularly the youth. Smile Train, the world's largest cleft-focused NGO, joined hands with the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya to host an awareness and fundraising activity on Saturday. This initiative witnessed the active participation of nearly 2,000 students. The Meghalaya Smiles event raised awareness through engaging activities such as quizzes and games hosted by RJ Bio from Red FM, a power performance on the importance of smiles, a flash mob and a screening of the Oscar-winning film Smile Pinky. A fundraising campaign was also launched, encouraging USTM to support Smile Train's cause.
We have a IK and IOL Academy at USTM, which has been designed and structured in such a way to give the shelter to the physically challenged and nowadays it's called specially able children. So right now we are working on this direction. We have a discussion with the national heads to create a chapter here in USTM. Under the outreach division, we will be connecting all the northeastern states, as we are coming up with a very big hospital in the campus. So their treatment starts from the surgery, plastic surgery and all other things.
As the countdown begins for the inauguration of the Ram temple in Ayodhya, Meghalaya gears up for the big day tomorrow. A day before the Pran Pratishtha or consecration of Lord Ram at Ayodhya, Kalash Yatra is organized in various parts of Meghalaya. In July, as part of Kalash Sobha Yatra, citizens in large numbers partook in this grand Shobha Yatra as they filled Kalash with water from Sintuk Syar Mintadu river. Jai Shri Ram reverberates in the streets of Juwai as people enthusiastically celebrate the day. St. Dominic Saviour Church in St. Mary's Circle, Malchapara has embarked on a transformative journey by joining forces with Sobha for a unique training initiative. This initiative aims to empower the local community by providing skill development opportunities and fostering a sense of unity. The collaboration between the church and Sobha was poised to bring positive change and strengthen the bonds within the community, creating a brighter future for all involved. Over to sports. In the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup, India kicked off their campaign with a comprehensive 84-run victory against Bangladesh at the Mangaon Oval, Bloemfontein in South Africa last night. Batting first, India set a target of 252 runs for the loss of 7 wickets in 50 overs. Opener Adarsh Singh scored 76 runs, while skipper Uday Saharan scored 64 runs for the men in blue. Maruf Mrida took 5 wickets for Bangladesh. Chasing, Bangladesh were all out for 167 runs in 45.5 overs. Soumi Pandey scalped 4 wickets for India, while Mohammad Shihab James scored 54 runs for Bangladesh. Adarsh Singh was adjudged the player of the match. And now for a look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 14.6 degrees Celsius, with the minimum temperature dipping to 3.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 44%, rising to 69% in the evening. The forecast tells us dry weather and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulate the people of Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya on the occasion of their statehood day. About 30 new cancer hospitals opened in the country during the past 9 years, says Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Elaborate arrangements have been put in place for the consecration of Ram temple in Ayodhya. Governor Phagu Chauhan inaugurates a Monolit and a Garo tree house in Rajban, Shillong. And in the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup, India kick off their campaign with a victory against Bangladesh. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.